Hello there, business owners, CEOs, and entrepreneurs. Ready for another way to grow your cash flow? Let's go. So, just for the next few minutes, we are talking about how can you use a tax plan to save you money. Now, if it's a case where you have never used a tax plan or you're getting frustrated or anxious, when it comes to tax time, you're probably even behind on your taxes. These tips will be very relevant for you. Do remember as you hop on and do listen to this broadcast, this video, share with other business owners, entrepreneurs, CEOs, and also leave a comment to say where you're from or if you have any questions for sure. Why do you need a tax plan to save you on money, save you on monies that are leaving your business, save you on taxes that you're paying? One, with a tax plan, you are basically having a prediction of the taxes that you're going to pay at year end. And it's so exciting because with a tax plan, throughout the year, your plan is constantly updated. So you as you go through each month, you know what your profit is, or if you're having a loss, you're able to calculate what is it that my taxes are likely going to be. So with a tax plan, there are several components of a tax plan. One component of a tax plan is that identifying those strategies that will help you to save on taxes legally. What does that mean? That means that based on the tax rules, the regulations, the business environment, what's happening in your business, there is a customized plan set up for your business to say, okay, this is how you can, these are the things that you need to do or not do to really pay less taxes at the end of the year or defer taxes. With deferring taxes, what you're doing is you're saying, okay, I won't pay the taxes right now. I'll probably wait till another year or so, depending on the tax strategy. So that's one component of the tax plan, a strategy to really incorporate the rules and the regulations of taxes based on your personal business, your business of your company, what's happening, based customized for you. The other part of it is monitoring. What you're doing basically is every month based on the your profit or what's happening in your business, there is a way to actually estimate the taxes that you're going to pay and make changes accordingly. So you might be this quarter, you might say, okay, I'm going to be paying 10,000 in taxes. So you are starting to budget and put that away. The next month, the next quarter, things might change. And again, it's another opportunity to refresh that calculation and also say, okay, based on that, I might be paying more or less. So in a way there, you're okay saying now you can put aside monies or, change strategies so that you are actually saving and paying less taxes at the end of the year. So a tax plan is a very powerful tool, a strategy as a CEO, as an entrepreneur, as a business owner. You want to make sure that this practice is being done in your company, in your business, that you're connecting with tax experts, CPAs who can help you to really know, are you paying this amount in taxes? What is the right strategy for now? What is it that you need to do or not do? So ultimately, you end up paying less taxes. So it is not worth it to say, okay, I'm going to do this on my own or delay, because when you delay, another thing is that you lose opportunities. So if you delay with having your tax plan set up, you might have lost opportunities. So you could have done a strategy or an action before the year end, but because it's too late and you're doing it in the nick of time, when taxes are due, you miss that opportunity. So it is important to set up your tax plan from the beginning of the year and also review it throughout the year with your tax preparer because your business changes, your situation changes. So updates are so important. Timely updates, rules, regulation changes, and you as a business owner, you're not going to be in that realm at times to understand and know what all the changes are, what is really involved. So if you've never used a strategy in your business of having a tax plan or you are just unsure where to start, definitely reach out to a tax expert, a tax preparer, not only a preparer, just an expert, someone who's going to not just use the numbers you give them and punch it up, but someone who can discuss strategy and insights with you. What is the best way to do this, do that? Someone who's aware of rules and regulations applicable to your industry, to your business, and also keeping in mind that your personal situation will impact the business as well. So do bear that in mind. So you want to take all these various moving parts to ensure that you're ultimately paying less taxes. If this resonates with you and you have more questions, do send me a comment or a message in my DM or email or text or phone. You can get me on at 888-521-4206. So if this is something you're not sure where to start, definitely reach out and I'll be happy to continue the conversation. Do remember to share this with other business owners, entrepreneurs, and CEOs as well. And if you have any questions, comments, leave them in the chat. And of course, if you remember to share with other business owners and definitely see where you're from. Sometimes persons love to connect as well. They say, oh, I didn't know you're in this area, and you're connected with other business owners as well. So that's all for this time, and I'll be back again with more tips. Bye, guys.